Human Pass ID, another decentralized way of doing things. Welcome back. It is yet another episode. This is the Crypto Investor Podcast. My name is Daniel Reinhardt. We discuss Human Pass, a new identification way in Metaverse. Previously, we had so many crypto projects coming up to change how we identify ourselves online. One of those cryptocurrencies was WorldCoin. WorldCoin is an international identification program that creates digital passports or digital IDs for everybody in the universe. I think you've seen how it is trying to go physical by introducing physical eye scanning technologies and machines in various countries. I think we had one in our country, but then it closed. I think it had issues with regulations and all that. But we've seen different technologies trying to come up with identification, with decentralized identification technologies. And that was WorldCoin. WorldCoin is a successful project, right? I think most of us happened to see WorldCoin around 2021, around the lockdown season, and we didn't focus on it. It was giving out free coins, free tokens to people, doing free registrations and all that, and most of us did not care about WorldCoin. However, right now it is moving places and people are making crazy fucking money with WorldCoin. And this is something that I want to reflect on right now with Human Pass. Human Pass specifically is doing with gaming. It is a gaming identification platform whereby it says that it does not want to see bots and people that are not real on their platform and participating with games. So basically, it is trying to create a real human platform where it's only people that will be playing with people, but not people having competitions with robots. So basically, as of now, they are looking at gaming a sector in the decentralized world. Of course, this is Metaverse. Gaming, Metaverse. So they are trying to solve a problem of using bots in the Metaverse. I think people who do games, in most cases, you think you're playing with a person or you're playing with a bot. And I think it could be really hard to win out a bot. I think so. So basically, they are also looking at collaborating with various projects, especially on Ton blockchain, in order to enhance their utility. They will be offering this identification functionality, identification technology to various projects on Ton blockchain. Providing this amazing technology on various Ton blockchain enhances their utility and the utility of their technology, and as well as the token. I think in one way or the other, this will increase the utility or usability of Human Pass token, which most of us are looking forward to, because when you invest in a project, you think about the value of the token, and that's one of the most important thing. They do not have any token sale yet, and they are simply distributing their tokens through Telegram. While people can simply open up Telegram accounts, pass verification process, do daily tasks, invite their friends onto Human Pass, and at the end of the day, they earn Human Pass token. You asked me if Human Pass is a legit cryptocurrency project. With over right now 8 years in the cryptocurrency space, this company does not have its team as of now, outlined there and public, which is a little bit skeptical. Of course, we've had these issues with so many decentralized platforms, decentralized crypto projects coming up. Some of them have been a success, some of them have scammed people, some of them have become failed projects, which has made investors stuck at the end of the day because they do not have any person to sue. This is the only trick that comes with decentralization. People do not believe that the team being out there is actually necessary. However, in terms when the project is a failed venture or a scam project, there's nobody to blame. And we've seen so many crypto projects coming up without any team, asking money from people, asking people to pay ton, and after paying in, the project becomes a bogus. But people have paid in 1 ton, 2 ton, 3 tons, 10 tons to enhance their chances of owning that particular token or accumulating it. We've seen so many projects. However, Human Pass has not yet asked money from people. They've not yet asked ton as gas fees and all that. Enhance this, enhance how many tokens you're making, which is so far amazing. However, time can come when Human Pass is asking for some ton because they need to develop the project and all that, which will really be tricky if the trust within the society will be that deep for people to trust their ton with Human Pass. It is still highly skeptical if Human Pass will provide a physical ID for the gaming platforms. It is still very skeptical whether Human Pass will provide a physical ID in this metaverse platform. Apparently, there is only scanning of the face, scanning of the eyes on the Telegram app. However, we don't know if this is completely amazing and working the way an ID should be working and all that. It is also a little bit skeptical to understand the usabilities and utilities of Human Pass token, especially in the gaming world. Most people do not actually, including myself, we do not believe so much into the gaming and all that, because somebody would be like, why should I be investing my money in just a game? Simply people wasting their time and passing time. It is highly skeptical as of now to trust a gaming platform just like that, unless if Human Pass has other utility programs and utility ventures and utility sectors that they want to venture into in the next few months or a few years. That's Human Pass for you, trying to change how we interact with fellow human beings and also bots on various gaming platforms. The relationship between Human Pass and WorldCoin is that they are all identification platforms, but then the difference is Human Pass only identifies with gaming and metaverse, while WorldCoin looks at the entire human race being able to obtain digital IDs or digital passports that can be accepted anywhere in the world, on airports, on contracts, everywhere. You simply show in your WorldCoin passport. That's it for now. Tell me what you think about Human Pass. If you think it's one of those amazing identification crypto projects that we should be looking in 2025. Do you think it's an amazing project, or it is simply a trial and error project within the crypto community? Remember to subscribe for the Crypto Investor Podcast on YouTube, and also where you listen to your audio podcasts from.